So today, I'm gonna show you how simple it is to install a Yacht Armor screen protector. We got two 20-inch Garmins. We're gonna do it on one, just so you can see what it looks like on one and not on the other. First thing you're gonna do is you got a slip solution here, microfiber. You wanna clean all this off. Make sure this is nice and clean so nothing's under the film. So I'll do that, a little spray down, give it a nice wipe. A little bit more spray down. And we'll hit it with the squeegee. Any residue, anything else that was hanging out, we want to get cleaned off. So now that that's nice and clean, what you do is you're going to spray it again. And then simple as this, it'll come on this backing and you just peel it off. Because that's what the adhesive is. And this adhesive will not leave any marks if you take this off at a certain point. We give this a little spray down. And then we'll line her up real nice. Get that all centered. Take your squeegee. See all these bubbles and stuff? Once we squeegee it down, get it flat and let it dry, it'll be stuck on there real nice. Push it up right into that spot. I'll get all these bubbles out. Nice and flush. Double check. See if there's any bubbles on here. Nope. 5-minute process, install the screen protector. You can do this on your own. You can have your installer do it. Check out the website. There's kits on there for a bunch of different very popular MFDs. If they don't have the kit that you need on there, reach out to the guys with the dimensions of your screen and they'll print one up for you. We'll see you on the water.